Robert Kiyosaki is an American businessman and author of personality development books. He is known all over the world for his thinking about earning money. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is best known for one of his most successful books. Till now, Robert Kiyosaki has written about 18 books which have sold more than 26 million. His thinking about success and earning money is a source of enthusiasm and inspiration for all of us. Robert Toru Kiyosaki was born on the 8th of April 1947 in Hilo, Hawaii. A part of the Yonsei generation of Japanese Americans, his father, Ralph H. Kiyosaki, was an academic and teacher, and his mother, a registered nurse named Marjorie O. Kiyosaki. Kiyosaki is the eldest, followed by three siblings, Amy, Beth, and John. Let's know Robert Kiyosaki's priceless thoughts on success. If you failed, that means you're doing something. If you're doing something, you have a chance. The size of your success is measured by the strength of your desire, the size of your dream, and how you handle disappointment along the way. Remember, your mind is your greatest asset, so be careful what you put into it. The most successful people in life are the ones who ask questions. They're always learning, they're always growing, they're always pushing. When you are young, work to learn, not to earn. Money is not the goal. Money has no value. The value comes from the dreams money helps achieve. Afraid of change, then fail? It's more important to grow your income than cut your expenses. It is more important to grow your spirit than cut your dreams. Losers are people who are afraid of losing. Successful people don't fear failure, but understand that it's necessary to learn and grow from. The richest people in the world build networks. Everyone else is trained to look for work. Our mentors in life are important, so choose them wisely. If you want to be rich, think big, think differently. Most people never get wealthy simply because they are not trained to recognize opportunities right in front of them. The primary difference between rich people and poor people is how they handle fear. Knowing you need to make a change isn't enough. You got to find the guts to do it. Money will never make you happy if you are an unhappy person. Failure defeats losers, failure inspires winners. I'd rather welcome change than cling to the past. Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. Losers quit when they fail, winners fail until they succeed. Successful people take big risks knowing that they might fall hard, but they might succeed more than they ever dreamed to. Face your fears and doubts, and new worlds will open to you. Rich people buy luxuries last, while the poor and middle class tend to buy luxuries first. Dreamers dream dreams and rich people create plans and build bridges to their dreams. The philosophy of the rich and poor is this: the rich invest their money and spend what is left. The poor spend their money and invest what is left. The key to life is to be happy with or without money. Complaining about your current position in life is worthless. Have a spine and do something about it instead. Today is the word for winners and tomorrow is the word for losers. The world is full of smart poor people. You cannot be successful without failure. The poor, the unsuccessful, the unhappy, the unhealthy are the ones who use the word tomorrow the most. When you create wealth, it's your responsibility to return it to society. One of the primary reasons why people struggle financially is because they cannot control their emotion of fear. The thing I always say to people is this: if you avoid failure, you also avoid success. Winners are not afraid of losing. Failure is part of the process of success. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. One of the reasons many people are not rich is because they are greedy. Every successful person in life began by pursuing a passion, usually against all odds. Passion is the beginning of success. The problem with this world is not enough problem solvers. So, if you become a problem solver, you become rich. Confidence comes from discipline and training. Change your focus from making money to serving more people. Serving more people makes the money come in. Before you can transform your wallet from poor to rich, you've got to transform your spirit from poor to rich. When times are bad is when the real entrepreneurs emerge. Listen to the advice from the one who's already achieved your goal. Watch what the idiots are doing and do the opposite. Last place is for cowards and those too full of fear to take action. When times are bad is when the real entrepreneurs emerge.